Hi, my name is Brendan O'Toole and I am the founder and managing director of Dynamo Motor Company, manufacturer of the Dynamo Taxi, the world's only fully electric London black cab. I spent a lifetime in coach building for the world's most exclusive brands such as Bentley, Rolls-Royce, Aston Martin and McLaren, but then teamed up with Nissan to make a difference and use my skills and experience to create a vehicle that will dramatically reduce pollution in our cities and towns. A taxi is a pathfinder to electric vehicle adoption, and we at Dynamo are very proud to be leading the way. With the billions of pounds invested by Nissan into a vehicle that we take from them and convert to an electric taxi, we are sure we have a very reliable and economical vehicle for the current and next generation of taxi drivers, and every taxi driver that moves from fossil fuel to electric is playing a part in reducing pollution and helping to repair our environment.
At Dynamo, we're a very proud Coventry company based in our home city, and of course we've got a great history of taxi manufacture in Coventry, which means locally we've got a wealth of experienced people who can join the team, right the way from directors to the hands-on lads on the shop floor.
Dynamo was launched in October 2019. We very quickly grew an order book, which was huge, but sadly along came coronavirus and slowed things down. However, we're moving out the other end of coronavirus now, and the potential for Dynamo is huge. During coronavirus, Transport for London were paying drivers to decommission their taxis. As a result of this, there's now 21,000 taxi badge holders and 13,500 taxis, with a further 1,000 due off the road this year. So there is a huge gap in the market for a London taxi to fulfil the need. The feedback from the drivers that are using Dynamo is sensational. They're currently used to spending £150 a week on a diesel London taxi, and doing the same mileage at a Dynamo, it's between £10 and £15 a week. The vehicle excise duty, which is £500 on a London taxi, is free of charge on a Dynamo, and the servicing is a fraction of the cost.
With £12 million invested into the creation of our vehicle, we are confident that we have developed a product that will see ever increasing demand in a UK market of over 70,000 taxis. Our customers will benefit through significant fuel savings, making a Dynamo taxi the right financial choice for them, and with higher volumes of sales, Dynamo will be profitable and sustainable. To enable us to meet demand, we are fundraising to support additional working capital and to continue our work on follow-on EV products. Dynamo is more than just a business. We have a climate crisis. We have a duty to change how we live and work, and through the electrification of taxis and other vehicles, we can make sure that carbon reduction targets are met, if not bettered. From my personal perspective, it's also about creating products and teams that bring benefits to those that work with me and those that our products affect. It's about British engineering and ingenuity, and being able to access market sectors that would otherwise not be able to be part of this new and exciting EV era. I welcome you all into my company. Dynamo is part of the solution to pollution, and whilst helping to create a sustainable business and improve our environment, you're also helping to keep this great and noble tradition of London black cabs going for the next generation and beyond. The latest Dynamo taxi off the production line. This one's heading for Cardiff. With over 100 taxis already out there, this is just the beginning for Dynamo.